Mubango uyu wa kuhunjia thayu ukurikanite ta uchaguzi cio andui uruguritio kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ugitanyo kuhunjio kaunti-ini ingi 23. Wabici ya wandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti hamwe na kamiti ya guthingatithia thayu na urumwe NCIC nicio itabarĩire mĩhang'o ĩno kuria moritie muingi hamwe na ateti guthii na mbere na kuhunjia thayu.
We may have differences in patterns of voting, but that doesn't mean enmity. We need to exercise our rights as voters and to choose who our next leaders will be for the next 5 years, but then remember to preserve our country in terms of peace.
Kuringana na kamishina kaunti-ini ino Erastus Boy, akenya ni makoretwo makigerera ihinda iritu kumana na thogora wa iguru wa muturire, na uguo ni hari bata thayu ukorwo ukimenyererwo ihinda-ini riri ria kambi-ini.
We are working very closely with ORPP, NCIC to work against hate speech and incitement, and we are saying that this election must be different.
We will not spare anybody, whether a leader, whether an adherent to it. We'll just handle them the way we've been handling them before, and we are more keen now with the politics around. So that one is something that we are already taking care of and will continue.
Ateti moritio guthurimaga miario yao mbere ya kurekereria kuri muingi guku na wakenya makihoywo gugacagura atongoria mari na uigiririki na aria mangihokerwo indo cia muingi.
We are having constituency election monitors who are on the ground observing campaign schedules, ensuring that candidates are campaigning peacefully and giving report to us, so that in case there are any issues of early warning, we are able to work with other government agencies to take necessary action.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.